very, very brilliant.
Yeah, Kingston College living up to its billing as a top Class 2 team. Did excellent exchanges. If you notice that the incoming runner, they kept to the side of the lane that they are supposed to keep to avoid collision, and the passes were very smooth, and they're going to need to execute those passes in the final.
So 41.67 there for the winner, Kingston College, of 42.67 for second place in Manchester. So in this one, Greater Portmore, Tejas Golding, Arden, Lacovia, Fair Technical, Jamaica College, Racine High, and Cornwall College.
Only the winner guaranteed a spot in the final, gentlemen. And again, this is so tough. You have to be at your absolute best.
Under pressure.
Under pressure, indeed. And this semi-final favors Jamaica College. They have a good team.
Full field as you look at Racine, they're in lane 7, Jamaica College in 6, Fair Technical in 5, Lacovia in 4, Arden in 3, Tejas Golding in 2, and then there's Greater Portmore in lane 1.
This Lacovia team has Nicholas Jones they could call on, but he has 400 beauties later on. Jamaica College, so much options, so many options. Receives a Teeny Barrett also in it as well.
This will be interesting. Look out for Jamaica College. Anything can happen in relay races. They're up on Racine on their outside. So too Cornwall College. Jamaica College, Cornwall College. And then on the inside, Fair Technical is going well. So too Lacovia. The second exchange at the 200-meter mark. Jamaica College makes a safe exchange. So too Cornwall College on the outside. And Racine. Fair Technical trying to fight back. Jamaica College, they continue to lead. A massive lead for Jamaica College. Problem for Racine. The baton is on the ground. Veer Technical moving into that second spot. Will be JC, followed by Veer, then Cornwall, and then Lacovia. 41.04 flash time. 41.07 for Jamaica College.
Yeah, there Kyle Thompson bringing them home. So 41.07 for this Excelsior team. Without the main man, Kai Kelly.
Jamaica College.